Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can hide save pin on Pinterest. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. And let's begin. So first of all, open up any kind of your browser and search for Pinterest and simply log in with your account. And once you are done with that, you can see that there are no pins saved on my account currently. So first, save all of the pins and make a collection of all of the pins you want to hide. You can have different artboards on your account so that they stay categorized. After that, click on the settings icon at the top right corner, select account management, and then locate deactivate account. On Pinterest, you can deactivate your account temporarily and all of your saved pins will be hidden along with it. And that's how you can hide saved pins on Pinterest. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.